Hello Isaac, welcome to the tutorial where we will explain the way to track the conversion rate between finished and completed. I am Giuseppe Daniele Bello and I am the ECB chair of Isaac in Italy. So let's dive right in. Expa has a fantastic tool that we can use to analyze immediately what we are looking for. And that is a standards analytics tool. Now, how does this work? It's very simple. We have three different columns with fields that we can fill. The first column has two different fields. The first one is the opportunity committee, or as we may know it, the hosting entity, the host entity, and the EP committee, which is the sending entity. These fields can be filled with three different kinds of names: local committees, MC committees, local committees, member committees, and Isaac International. In the latter case, it will visualize EPs coming from all over the world or going to all over the world. So let's have an example here. I want to figure out what happened to the EPs that go to Italy from all over the world. And I want to do it in the custom range of the 15th of September 2017 to the 15th of October 2017. Why specifically this? Well, for the analysis I wanted to figure out what happened to the EPs that finished on November, because the conversion rate goes from finished to completed. But the standards analytics is a bit tricky because it analyzes the standard service of the realized EPs. This means that if you want to figure out the EPs that were finished in a specific month, we have to reverse roll back to 6 weeks before. So if I want to figure out EPs that came on the 30th of November, I'll have to go back to the 15th of October. And if I want to go back to the 1st of November, I'll have to go back to the 15th of September. So it's as easy as that. If you want to figure out the EPs coming from a specific month, go back 6 weeks. It's all there is to it. The product, of course, you can select GV, GT, or G depending on what your needs are. In this case, I'm going to select all of them. I'm going to click on apply. So let's see what happens. So Expa is taking a while here, and the way you can fix this is to refresh the page so that the request is fresh and new, and in this case you can click on apply again and it should give you the results a bit quicker. If it doesn't, just try again. If it doesn't work, just go back to the main page, refresh, go back to analytics, standards analytics, apply. And here we have them, all of the people that went to Italy from all over the world. We have 39 people, and these are the results of the standards. Generally pretty good. However, as we can see, we can already figure out what are the main points of improvement. Outgoing preparation seminar wasn't good, so imagine if we were able to speak to the committees and tell them, hey guys, so there's a problem with this. It looks like you didn't do the outgoing preparation seminar correctly, or DP didn't know about it. First day of work has a lot of people saying no. So as you can see, we have a couple of ideas on how to better our exchanges. So that's it. A couple of more things. First of all, why is this useful? Well, it's very simple. You can use it for LC to LC cooperations. If you decide to put your own committee and your cooperation committee, you can figure out what is going on with the EPs that finished from or to these committees and how you can better your cooperation. You can figure out where to send an EP based on the quality of the standards, etc., etc. And there's a small trick for you guys that you can use if you want to process data in a more efficient way. If you hide the growth percentage and you copy all of this, you can then paste it in an orderly way in Google Sheets or in Microsoft Excel, and it's going to put every single thing in a separate field, so it's going to be ready for an analysis with color coding or maybe anything different they usually do, formulas, etc., etc. So that's it, guys. Thank you for listening to this small tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me through email. My email is giuseppedaniele.ibello@isaac.net. That is all from my part, and I hope you have a very safe and productive day. Thank you.